Navigating the challenges of menstruation can be a monthly struggle for many women, with symptoms ranging from cramps to mood swings. Surprisingly, your dietary choices can play a significant role in either alleviating or exacerbating these symptoms. In this video, we are going to explore the best and worst foods to consume during your period, providing a roadmap to help you feel your best. First, let's kick off with the foods and drinks you should avoid. Number 1. Caffeine. Your beloved cup of coffee might be contributing to water retention, bloating, and headaches. Moderation is key here. Don't ditch the coffee entirely, but be mindful of your intake. Number 2. Red meat. Although red meat is high in iron, it also contains prostaglandins that can amplify cramps. Consider alternatives during menstruation to ease those monthly discomforts. Number 3. Alcohol's impact. Alcohol can dehydrate your body, intensifying headaches and causing digestive issues. Limit your alcohol intake to avoid compounding your menstrual symptoms. Number 4. Salt overload. Excessive salt consumption leads to water retention and bloating. To combat this, skip the salt shaker and opt for fresh, whole foods to keep that bloating at bay. Number 5. Spicy foods. Known to upset stomachs, spicy foods can worsen symptoms like diarrhea and nausea. If spicy isn't your norm, it might be best to steer clear during your period. Number 6. Sugar roller coaster. While it's okay to indulge in sugar moderately, overconsumption can lead to mood swings and energy crashes. Maintain stable energy levels by monitoring your sugar intake. If you have food sensitivities, it's crucial to avoid trigger foods, especially during your period. These can exacerbate discomfort, causing nausea, constipation, or diarrhea. Now, onto the best foods and drinks you should embrace. Number 1. Ginger. Soothe muscle aches and nausea with a warm mug of ginger tea. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it a valuable ally during menstruation. Number 2. Turmeric. Harness the anti-inflammatory benefits of turmeric to alleviate menstrual symptoms. A spice with a multitude of benefits, turmeric might be your new best friend. Number 3. Yogurt's probiotic magic. Combat yeast infections with probiotic-rich yogurt, also loaded with magnesium and calcium. Number 4. Water. Drinking ample water helps reduce dehydration, headaches, and bloating. Stay hydrated with water-rich fruits like watermelon and cucumber. Number 5. Fruitful delights. Indulge in water-rich fruits to curb sugar cravings without the crash. These natural sweets contribute to hydration and stable glucose levels. Number 6. Nuts goodness. Nuts, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and magnesium, make for a satisfying and nutritious snack. Number 7. Leafy green. They are nutritional powerhouses. Combat fatigue and dizziness with iron and magnesium-rich leafy greens like kale and spinach. Number 8. Peppermint tea. Serenity. Ease cramps, nausea, and diarrhea with a cup of peppermint tea, a potential natural remedy. Number 9. Dark chocolate bliss. Indulge in dark chocolate as a tasty and beneficial snack, rich in iron and magnesium. Studies suggest it may reduce PMS severity. Number 10. Protein-packed meats. Chicken and fish, rich in iron and protein, contribute to overall health and keep cravings in check. Number 11. Flaxseed oil. Soothe constipation with flaxseed oil's omega-3 fatty acids. While more research is needed, early studies show promising results. Number 12. Lentils and beans. Protein and iron-packed, these legumes make excellent meat replacements for vegans and vegetarians. Number 13. Quinoa's nutrient boost. Quinoa, rich in iron, protein, and magnesium, keeps energy levels high and is gluten-free for those with celiac disease. Number 14. Kombucha's probiotic punch. If dairy isn't your thing, opt for kombucha tea to fight yeast and support digestive health. Here are some additional remedies you can try. Incorporate light cardio and yoga to potentially reduce menstrual cramps. Soothe abdominal and back pain with hot water bottles or compresses, or consider OTC meds like ibuprofen for effective cramp relief. A comforting massage on the stomach or back can also significantly ease menstrual pain. In crafting your diet, consider your specific symptoms and food sensitivities. If you find your periods exceptionally painful, consult a healthcare professional to rule out underlying health issues. Your journey to a more comfortable menstruation may just start with a thoughtful selection of foods. Alright, that's it for today. But before you go, remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more enriching content. Stay tuned for nutrition insights and holistic tips. Thank you for being part of our community.